Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this amazing blue butterfly cake, and it is a vanilla cake. First, take a mixing bowl with strainer, add 1 cup maida and sieve it. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour plus 1 teaspoon of baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And after sieving them, mix them well together. Now keep it aside. Now take another mixing bowl, add 4 egg which has a room temperature. Add half cup of sugar and beat them until it has a foamy consistency and the sugar dissolves. You can see how the foamy consistency became, but it's not that perfect yet. So again beat it for 1 minute. You can see how the consistency is looking. Now add the dry ingredients in 2 to 3 times. Now mix them gently with folding methods. You guys can take any mold you want and grease them. Now pour the batter in the greased mold. Now tap it 2 to 3 times. Now bake it for preheated oven at 160 degrees in 35 to 40 minutes. Now take another mixing bowl, add 2 cups of whipped cream. Beat it for 8 to 10 minutes until it has a stiff peak. Our whipped cream frosting is ready. After 40 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the cake. If the pick comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. If it doesn't, it means you have to bake it for another 5 or 10 minutes. Now cut it into 3 slices. And now let's start the cake icing. First take a slice, then on top of the slice put whipped cream frosting and add some cherry filling, and then add another slice on top of it, and then do the same process for the other layer. Now start crumb coating it. After crumb coating it well, now refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, now let's start the cake decoration. We are using a pastel blue color. You guys can use any color you want. And for the toppings and all, we are going to add butterfly and some sprinkles. This recipe is very easy to make. Hope you all tried this. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video.